If you take the modern world, where people are trying to teach you how to come in and trade actively in stocks.
But I can tell you this much, if you don't take that leap, it's not going to happen. We're here to support you. Jeff's my mentor. I taught all of that to Kyle. He's made over $3 million. His top is on the plane. We are so proud of those accomplishments.
I want to see you on this jet with us next time. It's awesome, and you can totally do it.
You love
Join
Jets
us right
too.
now.
You love Jets too. Admit it.
You
Come
just
on.
don't know it.
Well, I regard that as roughly equivalent to trying to induce a bunch of young people to start off on heroin.
Can your trading guru show you this? 50,000 in cash?
Millions and millions of dollars in the last 7 years.
It is really stupid. And when you're already rich, to make your money by encouraging people to get rich by trading. And then there are people on the TV, another wonderful place. And they say, I have this book that will teach you how to make 300% a year. And all you have to do is pay for shipping, and I will mail it to you. How likely is it that a person who had suddenly found a way to make 300% a year would be trying to sell books on the internet to you? And it's ridiculous. And yet, I've described modern commerce. And the people that do this all day think they're useful citizens. The advertising agents that invent the lingo. And so in insurance, they say, the two people who shifted from Geico to the Glotz Insurance Company saved $400 each. What they don't tell you is there are only two such people in the whole United States, and they were both nuts. But they mislead you on purpose. And I get tired of it. And I don't think it's right that we deliberately mislead people as much as we do.